How's that expression go? All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Well, it gets true. So today's video is just for fun, give you a little glimpse behind the scenes of what my office looks like, so stay tuned. The first thing that comes to your mind is like, hey Chris, that doesn't look like an office at all. It looks like more like a game room. And you're right, it is. It's where we come down to have some fun with the kids. Got a couple of computers set up over here. We got a Miss Pac-Man machine behind you. You can see my hobbies I'm interested in up here. And also a shameless plug for my friend Randy Hathaway. He has a CD, Classical Guitar in America, excellent CD. That's what's playing in the background behind us that you can hear. Shameless plug. Buy a CD. There's a link in the description below. Just do it. And you're thinking, man, this doesn't have anything to do with lawn mowing. And you're right, it doesn't. It's just kind of a fun video to give you a little glimpse of, my life and some of the things that go on behind the scenes. For example, it looks like I'm editing a YouTube video here behind us. I got a Rick and Morty going on over here. It's just kind of having some fun, showing you some things that you don't always get to see. Hey, I know what you might be thinking. Hey, Chris, that stuff behind you, that costs a lot of money. And well, yes and no, it didn't get it all overnight. You're always saying, hey, be fiscally responsible with your money. Well, yeah, I have. All this stuff behind me is all used and it's all paid for. And like for example, this screen behind me, I got at Goodwill for 20 bucks. And these are actually two different computers. I got a couple of kids, so I got them each a computer, and they're nothing fancy. They're not like super high-end gaming computers or anything. They're just some stuff that we've kind of upgraded over the years, and it's fairly low cost. So before you leave a negative comment below, believe me, none of this stuff cost that much money, and it wasn't bought overnight. It took me years to get this stuff. So this space does double as an office. Believe it or not, here behind me, I have last year's mowing lists. You can see a whole bunch of them. Those are previous year's mowing lists. Over here, I have some kind of like boring textbooks about weeds of the West, learning how to spray, and the correct kind of fertilizers to use. So this space is, yeah, it's fun. It's a game room, but also it does double as an office. I do some of the boring stuff. Like I said, I pay the taxes. I print out flyers. I draw up my routes for the next day. I do a bunch of stuff on the computer. I get my AdWords going on Google. I get my Facebook page going on. All that stuff happens here behind me. And I do spend a fair amount of time down here. So I thought, hey, maybe it is worth showing you a little bit. I know we will have another video of what the shop looks like and what the trucks and stuff all look like. But, I thought, hey, I might as well show you the office here, and it's just kind of for a fun video. So what do you think? Should you leave the old thumbs up button, subscribe below, leave a comment? Who knows? All right, I said I was gonna keep it quick, so it's gonna be quick. Just a kind of a fun, silly video showing you what's going on. I plugged my friend's CD over here, Randy Hathaway, Classical Guitar in America. Again, that's what's playing in the background here. And it's just kind of a fun video. So again, just hit the old like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.